All right, so we are going to quickly look at some of the skills that you need to develop when you really want to make some good amount of money online. Okay, now the when it comes to making money online, there are just three main things that are very, very important, right? Now, the first thing is to get a mobile phone, right? So once you have a phone just like this, that's the first thing. Then the second thing is to have internet, right? So you can see very, very simple things when you are thinking, hey, I want to make some money online. Very simple things, right? You have your phone, then you have internet, and number three, you have the product, right? So those are the main three things. Now, for the product, when it comes to the product, you have to choose carefully too. You want to make sure it's a product that is in very, very high demand. A lot of people want the product, they need it, and also is affordable, right? If it's not affordable, then that's a big problem. Now, if you check right here, let me see if I can log into my online business right now and just show you something, because that's the most important thing, right? So I'm going to quickly log in without showing you my passcode. But let me see. Yeah. So that's it. So I've just logged into my online business, which is called the MegaLink Online Store. Now, if you check all the way down here, you are going to see the products in the online store. Okay, so that's what I'm just promoting, right? I have an online store, which is already done for me. I don't have to buy the product. I don't have to choose what the product is. Everything is done for me. And all I do, I just pay $7, only $7, and I got access to the store. Now, let's go, let's just come up here a bit. You can see, let me click on that, and then I'm going to click on commissions. Oops, I did the wrong thing. It's never easy when you have a fat finger like mine. So you can see, oops, oh my God, this is crazy. Now, can you see that? You can see that from my online store, I'm already at $10,305. It's crazy. It looks weird, but it's amazing. And I'm going to explain why this is how it happens, right? Now, for you to make money online, one of the things you look at is how easy it is or not. So you want to be selling products that are in high demand. And let's look at an example of an online store, and that is Amazon. Now with Amazon, you have this product that you have the product, the website, which is Amazon, with multiple products, right? Now, all you do when you invite somebody into Amazon, now when they go on Amazon, they start looking for different products that they want to buy. And that is the same thing with this online store. It was built with the same idea of Amazon, right? So that's why I love it so much, and that's why I was able to make this much money. Now let me go back here, and then I'll click on that dashboard again. Crap. All right, so now you can even see already I have $612 that I've not even withdrawn from the store. But let's go back to the products, right? So this is what happens when you have an online store, even if it's Amazon, Walmart, or whatever. Now, the good thing about the online store is this: when you bring customers to the store, now the customers now have the choice to choose whatever product they want to buy. Now, the reason I love this MegaLink online store is this. Now, the customer may come in and they may say, hey, I just want this vertical video software, right? You see that vertical video software where they have created videos for you already. In case you're a marketer, you just download it and use it to promote. Now, the customer may come to this store right now and they say, this vertical video software, that is what I want to buy, right? Now, you see what the store does, which is what I love so much. You know what the store will do? The store will suggest other products, right? The store will say, hey, this is another similar product, or this is a comparative product. Do you want to add it? So instead of me making one sale now, I'm going to make like 2 or 3 sales if the person buys the other product, right? Now, this is what Amazon does, right? When you go on Amazon, you want to buy something, Amazon is going to tell you, hey, look at this other comparative product. Look at a product you can combine, and you are going there to pick one product, but at the end of the day, you find out, hey, I've just picked 3 or 4 products. That is what I've been experiencing with this online store. Is incredible, right? I just promote the store, and then as people go into the store and they start picking products, they start picking 2, 3 products because the store is filled up with softwares, right? You can see the softwares. All powerful softwares that is good for marketing, that is good for building businesses. So when people come to the store, they just pick any more products, right? And then there's another thing about this MegaLink online store. They also have high ticket products, right? Products that can pay you commissions up to $1,000, $2,000. So because of that, whenever I'm lucky to grab those high ticket products, my commission changes immediately. In fact, that was why it was so easy for me to just jump within a few months to earning over $10,000, guys. $10,000. It's crazy how simple it is. And that's why I always tell people, right? Make sure when you think of making money, go for a done for you online store. This is crazy. When it's fully done for you, just like the MegaLink store, you don't have to think of doing anything. The only thing I do for my store is to promote it, right? And then bring in as many visitors to the store. And as they start picking one product after another product, I just keep making commissions. It's so easy, right? Now, the beauty of this system is this. All the follow-ups are done for you completely. It's crazy. Now let's give a comparison to Amazon again. You see, when you come to Amazon and you try to buy a product, right, on Amazon, and you did not finish the purchase, do you know what happened? Amazon sends you an email telling you have not finished that purchase. That is the same thing that happens with this MegaLink online store. When people come in, put in their name and email, and they try to buy a product and they didn't finish the purchase, it sends them automatic emails. So I don't even have to send any email at all. The online store system sends them automatic emails telling them, hey, you didn't complete your purchase, right? And that is amazing. So they do all the follow-up. Then they also keep on inviting the leads, the customers to webinars, training, all these other things. And if the customer at any point in time decide to buy any other product, you still make money. So if you get a customer to your store today, and let's say in a whole year, let's assume that, right? In a whole year, they didn't buy anything. Suddenly they start buying things. You still make the money. I just love it for that. And that's why I've done well with it, right? Let me even see if I can go to let me move from this $10,000 that I'm showing here and just go straight to my Gmail. All right, so that's my Gmail there. Let it load. All right, so we're going to do a little search on this Gmail, if it allows me. Yes, it's going to allow me. So let me do a little search, right? So now it has loaded. So all these in yellow, this is saying, Victor, you just earned a commission. So you can see the number of commissions that I get a lot from my store. Look at that. Look at that. Look, sometimes I'm just sleeping. I don't even know who buys, right? This is why I love having an online store. I don't even know who buys. All I do, I go out and promote, and that is all I do. And I go away. People go to the store, they start searching one product, another product, or the store system suggests new products to them. And as they go back, maybe they love the product, they go back and they buy any of those products. Look at that. Crazy commissions, right? How do you like that? This is why I love online store system, and that's why I always recommend it for anybody, whether you are brand new or not. Now, if you want to get your hand on this mega link online store, it's very simple. With just $7, the cost of a cup of coffee, and you have full access to the store, man. $7, and all you have to do, go to my profile, right? Now, $7 is not a lot of money, right? But you can make a lot of money because there are over 20 products in the system. And look, whatever somebody buys from that, you make money. You see, a lot of $7 system out there, you only make money from just that $7 product, right? So people who promote $7 products, they don't make any money. But because this is an online store and the company in charge of that store, they are looking for customers, right? So they allow you to earn commissions from all the product. I've seen people who come in and they're aggressive and they're promoting the store, and they've made hundreds of dollars within a very short time. Imagine, you start with only $7 one time, you get your own online store, and you start promoting the store, you start bringing customers to your store. That's all, right? Now, and as you start making sales, you start making money. Imagine an online store system that you only pay $7 one time, doesn't exist anywhere. And you have the opportunity to earn commission from all the products, even the high ticket products, where you could earn up to $1,000 per sale. Is amazing, right? So look, if you want to check out this online store system, it's very simple. Like I said, you can go to my profile right now. In fact, when you go to my profile, you're going to see the way that I promote the store. You're going to see the way I promote. Very, very simple, right? I just make images. I even ask ChatGPT to create those images for me. And I just post it on Facebook, on Instagram, and also on TikTok. And as people go there, they are always rushing to my link and they are checking out the store, right? And as they check out the store, they want to get their own store. They pay their own $7. Voila, they are in. I make some commissions, but not only that, most times they are also buying more than one product, which is awesome. That's why I love it, right? It's not like many systems out there that they only focus on one product. Now with this mega link store, many products, right? Let's go back to the store. Let me see if I can log back in. Let me log back in right now. Now, just imagine that. Look at the products, right? Look at that. These are software. These products here, they are softwares, marketing systems, apps, coaching programs. There's so many digital things, right? And you don't have to handle any customer service. You don't have to do anything on this store. Nothing. It's a done-for-you store. You don't have to handle customer service. You don't have to do literally nothing. All you do is to promote the store, bring visitors to the store, and that's all I do, right? I just keep talking about the store, and a lot of people go and check it out. And as they just go in, they see all these softwares that they need for their businesses. There is a website building software there. There are other powerful software, and all they do, they go in, pick one. And like I tell you, I love this system a lot. It suggests other softwares for them to pick. And once they pick 2 or 3, my commissions are increasing, right? It's so amazing. And look, it doesn't matter where you are from any part of the world, you can get this same store. It's just $7 one time, no monthly fees. The only people that cannot have access to the store are those that cannot pay the $7, right? But all those that can afford pay the $7, they have full access to this store. There are more than 20 products. In fact, the company just announced that they are going to create another 20 softwares to add to this. And that is amazing, right? Because now that means you could make money from multiple choices. This is amazing, and that is awesome. So if you want to get your hand on a affiliate marketing online store that you don't have to do anything, you just make images and promote the store on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, just go to my profile right now, okay? Click that link. It's just $7. You have full access to the store. You have your own online store. And then you just start promoting it. And it's exciting. My own joy is how easy it is to make money with the store. I never knew that it was so easy until when I've got it to $10,000 within some few months, and I'm like, whoa, $10,000 already. And it's crazy, isn't it? All right. So look, if you want to get an online store like Walmart, like Amazon, fully automated, right? Done for you, that you can start today for very small cup of coffee money, $7. Just go straight to my profile, click that link, put in your name and email, and then you pay your $7, you get your online store, and then that's it, right? Now, for what I'm doing is this. When people join my team, I give you suggestions, show you how I promote. It's very simple to promote, so it's not a big deal. We promote on Facebook groups, TikTok. We just put out images and videos, and most of those images and videos have already been created for you, so you don't even need to really do anything. All you want to do, get visitors to the store. It's just as simple as that, right? So go ahead, check out my profile, find out how I promote this online store, why I'm able to make some good thousands of dollars from a $7 system. It's amazing, right? And if you have questions, when you get to my profile, you can ask any personal question about the business, all right? And come on. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.